Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss different programming paradigms from the subject programming and problem solving. We learn these different programming paradigms with respect to its concept, advantages and drawbacks. First, introduction. Program paradigm means how the structure and basic elements of a computer program will be built. It is a fundamental style of computer programming. Program writing style is dependent on programming paradigm and it can be understood as an abstraction of a computer system. Abstraction is the act of representing essential features without including background details or explanations. The abstraction principle is used to reduce the complexity and allow efficient design and implementation of any complex software system. Example, von Neumann model is used in traditional sequential computers. Some programming languages allow a single paradigm such as Smalltalk, Haskell, and some languages support multiple paradigms such as Visual Basic, Python, Common Lisp, Ruby, etc. Programming paradigms differ in concepts and abstraction used to represent the elements of a program. The steps such that compose a computation such as evaluation, data flow, control flow, etc. This is the broad classification of programming paradigm such as monolithic programming, procedural programming, structured programming, and last one is object-oriented programming. In this video, we are going to discuss first two programming paradigms such as monolithic and procedural. We'll see it one by one. Next, monolithic programming. Why it is called as monolithic programming? Because whenever we write a program, it is not divided into parts. Hence, it is named as monolithic programming. The program is generally written with a single function, which uses as global data. Example, in basic and assembly languages, data variables declared as global data and statements are generally written in a sequential manner. Program contains jump statements such as goto that transfers the control to any specified statement. Global data can be accessed from any portion of the program. Next, as we know, monolithic program is not divided into parts or subroutines. That's why they do not support the concept of subroutine. Each statement as well as subroutines are declared, written in the same program. Therefore, ultimately program size gets increases. Generally, data is represented as a global and it is not protected because that data, global data, can be shared at any point of statement in the program. Therefore, it makes difficult to debug and maintain the program. It is generally used in a small and simple applications. Reusability is not a concern by using the monolithic programs. Next, second one is procedural programming. It is also called as imperative programming. Procedures are also known as routines, subroutines, method, function that contain a series of steps which perform a specific task. Generally, a program is divided into n number of subroutines that access global data. A subroutine or a function that needs a service provided by another subroutine or a function can call that subroutine. Means the subroutine or function who want another who wants service from another function or subroutine must be called to that subroutine. With jump, go to and call instructions, the sequence of execution of instructions in a program can be changed. Procedural programming generally focus is to break down a whole task into small modules such as subroutines, structures, arrays, which contains collection of variables and data structures. Any given procedure might be called at any point in whole program execution, including other procedures or by itself also. Procedural programming modules are defined precisely in each step in the performance of a task. Using procedural language, the programmer specifies language statements to perform sequence of algorithmic steps. Because program is another representation of algorithm. Therefore, each statement specifies a sequence of algorithmic steps. The steps that the program must take to reach that desired state, that is final output. Example, Fortran or Pogo. Next. In procedural programming, scoping is another abstraction technique that helps to keep procedures strongly in modules. It prevents procedures from accessing the variables of another procedures and vice versa. Includes previous instances of itself, such as in recursion. In recursion, the same method or procedure can be called by itself. Procedures are convenient for making pieces of code written by different people or different groups, including programming libraries, which specifies simple interface, self-contained and algorithmic information, as well as reusable piece of code. Advantages of procedural programming mentioned over here, that is, it allows modularity because whole program is divided into small modules. The goal of this procedural programming is to write programs. Here, programs are easier to write than monolithic programming. In procedural programming, avoids repetition of the same code again and again. Each subroutines perform a well-defined task. And at another side, some disadvantages are mentioned for procedural programming over here. That is, writing program is somewhat complex. Then no reusability of the code. It requires more time and efforts to write program because each and every module we have to write separately and to maintain. That's why module maintenance is somewhat difficult. Global data is shared and may get altered. Okay, in this lecture, we have seen two programming paradigms such as monolithic and procedural. Okay, thank you.